Autopay is an important step. Autopay is usually enabled for certain purchases, especially when you accept offers or win auctions, and it automatically charges your selected payment method. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off Autopay on eBay step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how payments work and what you can and cannot control. First, open the eBay website or app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Payments or Payment Methods section. Now, here's the key point. eBay does not always provide a direct option to completely turn off Autopay for all transactions. In many cases, Autopay is part of eBay's system, especially for buy it now purchases or accepted offers, where immediate payment is required. However, you can manage how Autopay works by adjusting your payment methods. Go to Payment Methods and review the saved cards or accounts linked to your profile. You can remove or update your default payment method to control which account gets charged. Another important setting is during checkout. For some purchases, you can choose your preferred payment method before confirming the order. Make sure to review this carefully before completing any transaction. If you're placing bids on auctions, Autopay usually does not charge you unless you win the auction. Once you win, eBay may automatically process the payment, depending on your settings and region. You can also turn off automatic payments for subscriptions or seller fees by going to the Subscriptions or Seller Account section and managing billing preferences. In this tutorial, we learn how to turn off or control Autopay on eBay by managing payment methods, understanding how automatic payments work, and adjusting billing settings where possible. This helps you stay in control of your spending and avoid unexpected charges. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.